Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share something a little bit different with you, and it came about because I was doing some research for an article over on the blog, and it was how we can make money in time for Christmas. And when you go on Google and research this, you will see all of the usual stuff. In fact, let me show you the normal stuff that you see. So make money for Christmas, and it's you can see here, look, sell your junk, get paid to review stuff, mystery shopping, etc. It's all the usual stuff basically, download apps and make money doing all this stuff which isn't worth your time or your effort. You can see on here, look, be a life model, try running errands, etc. And literally if you go through all of these articles on Google, they're all the same. So I started thinking, what can I create for the blog which will be a little bit different? And in today's video, I'm going to give you a couple of different examples. Now, you're not going to make, well, I don't know, you may make a lot of money with this method, but it will come down to how much time and effort you're going to put into this. So let me share a few examples with you, first of all, over on this platform over here. And it is called Fiverr.com. Now, this is basically whereby you can put up a listing on Fiverr and you can earn money if somebody buys that listing. Now, I was looking into, Christmas and what people are offering on here, and I found some sellers which are doing, they're doing something, and it's pretty ingenious, really. So let me share the first one with you, is this one over here. And look at this, it starts at £7.81. I will put one face in any video. Look, I will put you in a funny dancing elf video. Now, this video here, that you will, they will put your face in for you, it's a free app. And you can see on here, they're a level 1 seller. They've currently got a rating of 4.6 and they've had 10 orders. So for this one here, it's a one video, it's £7, so about, let me get rid of that, about $9. If I click on standard, 5 faces is £11, and if I click on premium, you get 2 videos and 5 faces. But look at this money over here. Now, do you know what they're using for this? I'll show you. Come over here. And I've come on here. It's called Elf Yourself. And look, this is here. Look, so position your face and you can add a personal greeting on here. So all we do on the app is we upload a photo, put that face of the elf on here, and then you can add a personal greeting. And if I come back over here, let's just have a look at this. Scroll down here. Look, I will put your face in a dancing elf video, and I will add a personal message at the end. They're using this free app over here, okay? So that's not hard, it's not difficult, it's literally download this app over here. Let me just double check for you, I'm sure it's available on that's Play Store, yeah, it's available on Apple as well. So that is one method for you. So if you was going to go down that route, I would, if this was me and I wanted to go down this route here, I would put up a number of these different listings over on Fiverr, but with, different images and a different title, but, they're using that app over there. And another one I found was this one over here. I will make a Santa Claus message for your child. This here is from using another app, which is called, this one over here is called the Portable North Pole app. Come down here, click on there, and look, discover the #1 Santa Claus app. And this does video messages, and it can actually call, your child on this app over here. You just put in the phone number, you click on enter, and it goes. Now, if we come back into this listing over here, you can see it's £3.90. Scroll further on the page here, it tells us more about this. I will record an audio message for your child as Santa Claus. For $10 more, I will include a pre-made video that they can watch again and again, etc. Now, this over here, this special video, is from this app over here, this Portable North Pole. So that's just a couple of examples for you. Now, I can hear the skeptics amongst you saying, why would anybody pay for something, whereby they can get it for free? Well, as always, it's, people don't know about this app over here, this Portable North Pole. People don't know about this funny dancing video elf. They just, they don't know about it, they haven't came across it. And when they're on, platforms like Fiverr and scrolling through for different things, this might catch the eye, they might think it's funny, it's cool, recommend it to, a friend or, Secret Santa or whatever. but it's just a simple and an easy way to make some money in time for Christmas. Now, obviously, you could tailor this to different holidays and other bits, but that's just a couple of examples for you of people who are, they've got gigs listed on Fiverr using free apps. So, when people say, I don't have any money to make money online, you don't have to. You genuinely don't have to. So that's over on Fiverr and some different apps. Now, let me share something else, which is this over here. It's called Airbnb. Now, don't worry, I'm not going to ask you to, rent out your home or your garage or whatever. I want to share something else with you. So over on Airbnb, if we click on experiences, and it will say here, location, where are you going, date you want to go. I'm not bothered. So let's just click on, let me see if I can scroll down here. So look, explore, let's come further down here, sorry. Look, inspiration for your next trip. So let's just say, for argument's sake, I was going away somewhere and I was going to Windermere, okay? Now, come down. Oh, no, it's take. I don't want to go there. I want to go back into the experiences. Let's go back into the experiences and let's scroll. No, it's not working. So, experiences. Where do I want to go? So, let's just say I want to go to London. And day I want to go. Let's just say I want to go on the 6th. Click on search. So what it's going to bring up, as you can see here, it's these experiences. Now, if I scroll down here, you can see, look, explore Harry Potter's London tour. So basically, people are offering their services over on Airbnb. And I can see exactly, what these are. Let me just move this out of the way for you and scroll this back over here. I mean, look at this one, and I've shared this one in the past. Hidden Pubs of London. So this one here, look, join us for a 3-hour historical stumble down the street of shame. £25 per person, with a minimum of, with a maximum of up to 10 people. And people are obviously booking these experiences. Look, afternoon tea, Instagram Christmas photography. So, if you're in like a popular destination, you could take people around. You can show them things that they wouldn't normally see. You could go on a pub tour. We've got bar crawl over here. We have got travel memories. There's over 156, so I'm not going to go through all of them. But what you can do on here is you can come on this platform and you can list any of these experiences, and you can take people around and show them parts of your country or your city that perhaps people don't know about. I've seen cooking on here, I've seen restaurants. Look, we've got cocktail masterclasses. Sorry, let me get rid of that. And look, magic performance and lots more. But again, this is just another example for you whereby you could offer, in this example, your time. I mean, look at this, Instagram London Christmas photography. So what we'll do, are you spending Christmas in London? So if I click on here, they're charging £80 a person. So what do we get for £80? Hopefully, here we go. So scroll down, sorry, let me get rid of this. Scroll further on the page here, look what you will do, what's included, so equipment, etc. And you can see the host, and we can also see previous feedback and other bits. But this is just another way whereby you can offer your time, in this example, for earning money. So over on Airbnb, all you do is you go to experiences. It's available in a lot of different countries, and just scroll through and have a look at what other people are offering. And yeah, hopefully that'll give you a few ideas and suggestions. But again, you don't need any money for this. You use your skill set or your knowledge, and yeah, you literally put your listing up. So that's just a few different ways how you can make money for Christmas. It's not hard, it's not difficult, it will just take up a little bit of time. If you want, if you're interested in more ways to earn money and work from home, go over to my blog, Not Taught at School. We have got earning online, working from home, an interview series, and lots more. So yeah, that's today's video. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.